Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Intel high definition audio drivers onto your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And into Google search, I'm going to search for Intel high definition audio driver, and one of the best results should be from intel.com web result. So again, go directly to intel.com and it should say available download, to go ahead and download the compressed file and just go ahead and select that. You want to accept the terms of the license agreement, and then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up the compressed folder to look at the contents. Scroll down and select the setup file, double click on it, and then it should be a verified publisher, Realtek Semiconductor Corp. Go ahead and select yes, and you can close out the web browser too at this point. Okay, so at this point, just go ahead and select next, and then follow along with the installation steps that it suggests, and then you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.